It's John from Popeye's Postcards. It's Saturday, June 1st. Doing the second antique mall of the day. If you're not familiar with the channel, my name's John, and I sell postcards on eBay, and I go by Popeye's Postcards. So today I'm going to hit this antique mall. Supposedly there's a postcard dealer in here who has set up at another antique mall I've been to, and they have really good cards at that other one. So hopefully he has the same type of setup in here and I can find some decent cards for decent money. So stay tuned and let's see what we can find. So right inside the door, a whole bunch of postcards. I don't know what the price is yet. Let's take a look. They're all categorized, so I have a feeling. Yeah. $3. Okay, you know what? Might have to take a look. $1 for Disney. Okay, go do some digging. See if I find anything. So I found the dealer I was looking for, but they're all under lock and key. And you know how my feelings are about cards under lock and key. Wasted my time because they got to sit here and watch you go through them. Oh, that sucks. Well, I'll look around, see if there's anything else I want to get into, but someone's gonna have to stand here with me as I go through the cards. So I may do it and cherry pick, see if I can find like the cream of the crop cards that I know can bring really, really good money. But this, damn it. A lot of cards, but oh well, I'll keep looking around, come back to this at a later point. So I found another little section here. I haven't started looking through them. So it looks like $1 per postcard. I don't know. What's this? $2. Well, it may not be too bad if you know what ship that is. I don't know if I want to waste the time. What's this real photo here? I thought I saw a real photo. Don't know where that is. Can't read the bottom. I may take a glance through. Not being here before, I might want to just walk around real quick, see if I can find any 50 centers. That last box I showed you, the one I first walked in the door, I did go through, cherry picked those, and I came out with some good ones. They were all $1 or more. Yeah, damaged. Okay, I think I'm gonna move on. Nothing. I wouldn't spend $1 on them. I thought there would have been more postcards in here since they have all the folders, no cards. Not a whole bunch else so far. Kind of a weird setup. A lot of available and empty booths available. So be nice to fill them all with postcard dealers. See if I can find anything else. Okay, everyone, I just got out of the Black Rose Antique Mall in Chambersburg. I spent $130, ouch, for this little meager stack of cards. I think I was, what, 3.5 hours? I don't know if I just said that. I did end up spending probably about 2 hours cherry picking through that case that had all the cards locked up behind it. That was, I think I spent $90 out of there, but I had to cherry pick, and I just chose states and cities that I knew I could probably get a good return on investment. Some of the other dealers I went through, Palm Springs for $1. I've had pretty good luck with Palm Springs. The Hotel Del Coronado Real Photo for $1, pretty good. Placerville, California. I think Placerville is one of those places that you can sell almost anything from there. Confederate Monument out of Baltimore for $1. That one's for me. Wabash Factory, Gloucester, New Jersey. I don't know, for $1. I thought I'd give it a chance. I always like these generic scenic greetings. Barnegat, New Jersey. CL City, New Jersey. There's a tiki bar in Cherry Hill, New Jersey. That was $1. This is a horse track in near Atlantic City. That was $1. Long Beach Island multi-view for $1. Linen. Sea Toilers, Holly Beach, New Jersey. That's $2. Cape May Hotel. I believe this one's been torn down. $1 for that. It's at Matawan, New Jersey. $2 for that view. Another New Jersey beachy town for $1. Cape May. I believe this hotel was torn down too. This looks like a restaurant near Atlantic City, Merchantville, New Jersey. Racetrack, West Virginia, Wheeling. I've always had good luck with Huntington, West Virginia. This is the hospital, Chesapeake and Ohio. High school in Huntington. Charleston, West Virginia. It's a hand-colored Albert type from Washington and Lee University, Lexington. I usually get $9 out of this one. There's a real photo from, looks like York, Nebraska. I don't know, anytime I see a named town and it's a real photo for $1, I'll pick it up. This is Wallops Island in, it's either Virginia or, yeah, it's Virginia. This one may do pretty good. Coachella Valley, California. Coachella Valley does very well with Palm Springs. There's the Salton Sea on here. That could be the sleeper right there. $3 for a real photo Chinese junk, Hong Kong. Hopefully that one does well. $1 for a Disneyland Main Street view. This is, I believe, Port Arthur in China. That was $3. And we're getting into all the ones I cherry picked. This is Lassen National Park. This was 50 cents. For some reason, it was in behind glass. Pismo Beach Edgewater Motel. That was 50 cents. Vista, California. I just took a chance. That was 50 cents. This is Canada. Oh, it looks like this was trimmed. Ah, crap. I think that was trimmed, or just a bad printing. This is somewhere in Vancouver. Modesto, California. That was 50 cents. Delaware Henalopen Hotel on the boardwalk. That was $2. Bethany Beach, Delaware, $2. So I pretty much just stuck with Delaware, Virginia, some foreign. This is the boardwalk in Rehoboth Beach. I think Dolly's will help sell it. I think that's saltwater taffy. Here's another one with Rehoboth Beach Dolly's. The lifeguards at Rehoboth Beach. I've never seen that card before. Another Rehoboth Beach. This is the Beach Motel and Cabins. $2 for that card. This is Pete's Saltwater Taffy, Rehoboth Beach. $2 for that card. Sorry about the glare. I've had this one before. Rehoboth Indian Beach Club in Rehoboth, Delaware. $2. The Angry Swan, Belmar, New Jersey. I've had pretty good luck with Belmar, and I've never seen that card. That was $2. Probably one of the best towns in New Jersey, Beach Haven. This is a hotel. That was $2. Beach Haven. This is one of those banner views. I paid $2 for that. I'm thinking that I could get up at $20, maybe $25 on that card. This is Barnegat Light, New Jersey. I have a motel or a hotel. Well, they call that a motel. I always thought motels were one level and hotels were more than one level. $2 for that card. So large letter greetings from Cape May. $2. Actually, I've never seen that card. This is Lake Villa Estates, Crescent, New Jersey, like a planned community. $2 for that card. Another place to look out for is in Virginia, Colonial Beach, Virginia. It's a dual view, looks like a hotel. Oh, it's Washington's birthplace and Robert E. Lee's birthplace. So that one actually may not do well. $2 for that. Rockbridge Baths. This looks like it's a Girl Scout card. That's $2. This is Cheriton, Virginia, Cherrystone Bay Shore Campground, multi-view. That was $2. This is Angelus Temple, Los Angeles. I have the linen version of this, and I can't keep it in stock. I don't know how the real photo version will do. So that's $2. This is Victorville, California. I think I've had this card before, and I think I sold it for $20. That was $2. Selma, California, McNeil, Libby Cannery. $2. Tijuana, largest beer hall. I usually sell that for anywhere between $8 to $14. And this is Bethany Beach, Delaware, and that was $1. There's a boardwalk in Rehoboth Beach. That was $1. There's a banner view, Rehoboth Beach. I noticed that that's backwards. That was $1. Pismo Beach. This one was $1. I think the last one was 50 cents. Always keep an eye out for Lake Tahoe cards. This is one of the tavern. Large letter greetings from Juarez, Mexico. Sorry, that's backwards. That was $1. This is Hong Kong. I have a restaurant. That was $1. Here's Colonial Beach. This is the most expensive one I bought today. Colonial Beach. It's a hotel. I paid $12. I did get a 15% discount at the stand, or off that dealer, because I paid cash. I'll try $40-50 on that one. I may not do well on that, but who knows. This is Hong Q Market, Shanghai. So that's a real photo, China. Paid $5 for that one. Monroe Bay at Colonial Beach, Virginia. That was $4. Here's Hotel Henalopen, Rehoboth Beach. $3 for that. It's a hand-colored Cooley Lily. Looks like a store. It's in Cape May, New Jersey. That was $3. Annette's Drive-In Restaurant. That's kind of neat. Colonial Heights, Virginia. Not sure if that'll do as well as Colonial Beach, but that was $3. This is that drive. This is Swift Creek Farms. This is also Colonial Heights, Virginia. Interior restaurant view, $3 from the 50s. Lake Gregory, Switzerland, California. It's the real photo, $3 for that one. This is Laurel Dell, Lake County, California. No clue, but it looked interesting. Never heard of it. $3. And then this one, Black Americana, a holdup on the road to Pomona, California, and that was $3. So I should double, triple, quadruple my money back on this. So yeah, that's 130. I think I could probably turn that into 300 or 400, maybe more. So that will do it for buying postcards at the Black Rose Antique Mall, Chambersburg, Pennsylvania. As always, thank you for watching. Hopefully next video will be question and answer. So leave me your questions, send me your questions, popeyespostcards@AOL.com. As always, I thank you for watching.